Good morning and good evening, depending on whatever time frame you are using to watch this video. My name is Dennis Kutwati Kobi, a student of GCTU, and I am here to present the Wecare Health Emergency Web System developed using PHP, MySQL, JavaScript, and XAMPP. The main purpose of the Wecare system is to allow users to report medical complaints, sign up securely, view complaint history, and send emergency alerts using a panic button. So that is the main purpose of our project. So now moving on to the project overview. Our project mainly focuses on four core features. And those four core features are one, the user sign up and sign in, which is responsible for secure authentication and personalized access. Two, our complaint submission and history, which is for a detailed reporting with tracking capabilities. Three, our panic button with geolocation, which immediately alerts hospitals nearby with precise location data. 5. Session management, which ensures user privacy and data integrity. So from here, we're going to move to system demonstration. So let's take you back to the system demonstration. Okay. So this is the sign up page of the Wecare system. So here in the Wecare system, we have the username, email, password, and confirm password. And each field is mandatory over here. So here we are going to go with these are already pre-installed users that we already have. I'm going to start everything. So we have sorry, my email. I'm going to use this one and the password. You need to make sure all your passwords are the same or else it's going to give you an error at the password section. Then when you are done with filling your details, sign up. So immediately you sign up, it is going to redirect you to our Wecare sign in page. So over here, it is going to it can either fetch your credentials automatically or you just need to re sign or re-enter the credentials again. But here it has been automatically done for me. So then all I'll just have to do is sign in. But in case you've also forgotten your password and everything, you also have the reset section over here. So what the reset password does is automatically if you have forgotten your password, then you can just come there to reset everything. Yes. So let me just take you through the reset page. Okay, so you enter your email here, probably too hungry, then you give it a new password, you reset password. But I'm not going to reset my password because I remember my password. Okay, so now we are going to sign in. So the sign in here takes us to our main page, or we can call it the index page. So our index page is basically a page that has every information about us, what we specialize in, and some of our doctors are also here, how you contact them and everything. We have an about us. If you want to know more about us, this is what we do. And if you also want to contact us, yes. Okay. So now this button here is where we are going to lodge a complaint at. So over here, you click the lodge a complaint. Then you add your complaint. So here we are just going to look for maybe what is our complaint title? Headache. So headache. We are going to give a brief description of how you are feeling it. So how are you feeling the pain? Is it a sharp pain or so just so okay, so sharp pain and it keeps it keeps throbbing. And what other symptoms are you getting? Maybe nausea, vomiting, vomiting, nausea. Then you can add more. But when you are done, then you submit complaint. When you are done submitting your complaint, here's what's going to come. So if an email has been sent to you and you don't reply the email, we are going to call you to check up on whether you are following the right procedures we gave you. So now let me take you to our database. So this is the Wecare database. So here we come to the users first. So this is the user. This is my email and my password has been hashed for security reasons. Yes. Then let's go to our complaint. So we can see that everything has been stored in the database given to us. Yes. So this is basically what our database looks like and mostly how it connects to our backend. Okay. So when we go back to our page, we can have so you see it keeps track of a record. So this is it. So our main or special feature is the panic button. So when you click the panic button, it is going to immediately allow location access. And once when it opens the map, it is going to show you nearby or send a message to the nearby hospital or the closest hospital next to you that there's an emergency happening to you. So let's look for, so the hospitals are the H inside. So I'll just use here. Then that's it. Then it's going to just send a message to the nearest place. Okay. You see it has tracked the nearest hospital for me, and it's going to send a message to them to send an ambulance to my place. That is if I can't type in what is wrong with me and I need immediate access. Yes. So here we use location APIs over here. So here it's just if you have a distress and you can't type in what you have at the complaint section, then you go over there, then it's going to send the nearest ambulance to you. So now let's go and take a look at our codes. So here we have our index.php where we had the complaint and the panic button. We have the report about, contact us, index.css, the index.php. Some of the some of the JavaScript I incorporated them into the main HTML codes just to avoid a lot of page. So then reports.html. So these are the codes that we did. And also we did a flow chart diagram or a flow diagram over here. And our system, this is our system design and an entity relationship diagram. So in this is to sum everything up. In conclusion, the Wecare system, the Wecare system provides secure user interactions, complaint manager, and emergency alerting functionalities. Thank you for watching.